Hey everyone, my name's Kristen. I'm a CPAP user, and today I'm going to be unboxing the ResMed AirSense 11 machine that Sleep Play very kindly sent to me. I've had the ResMed 10 for almost 5 years now, so definitely was ready and due for an upgrade. So let's see. I'm curious to see what's the same and what's different about this. I've heard really, really good things, and ResMed has never steered me wrong. So first, this is legitimately the first time that I'm opening this up here, so let's see. All right, so the first thing might seem kind of silly, but if anybody knows, when I first started my journey with my CPAP, I started taking pictures everywhere that I would travel with it. I put it on Instagram, and that's kind of how I got connected. Well, that is how I got connected with this awesome community, the sleep community. So I was a little bit nervous because what I do with my traveling is I get a patch everywhere that I go, and I put it on my CPAP bag. So I was curious, like, what am I going to do with that? So it looks like this is my old bag, and this is a new bag. They literally look the exact same size. Although this one is a lot nicer, clearly. This one has like been through it a little bit. So, but I don't want to start all over with my patches. I really like these. So I might see if I can somehow get them off without destroying them too much and transferring them on over here. But besides that, you got the same little like pouch here. It's the same, like I said, same size. So it's still the same compact way that you travel with it normally. And I really don't have any problems when I'm traveling with it. Honestly, it doesn't feel like on it that much to, carry along with me, whether I'm flying or packing up for a local getaway. So, okay, so here we go. Here, it's a little start here guide, which is great. So if you've never if this is your first machine, definitely download it. It shows you here how to get onto the My Air app, which is the associated app with this machine. And it really is helpful because it tells you your stats day to day on a range of different data points. And also it does have really handy information, about how to connect all the stuff, your mask fit, how to clean your machine, all stuff like that. So the one thing that I don't know that I'm sure will be easy to figure out, but when I first got my other machine, the AirSense 10, I had never had a CPAP before, right? So I was really overwhelmed by the whole process and everything. So I don't even really remember how I did all of this, but my doctor, I have a really, really great doctor. I'm very lucky. He put in the order for a company who sent it over to me, and I don't really know how the data got transmitted, from that particular machine over to my doctor's office. So I'm just gonna have to tell them, I'm sure, and probably hooking it up with the app will help as well, but just let them know I don't have that machine anymore. And so that way they can track my compliance through the data that comes from this machine. So I don't know, I'm not a tech person, so maybe it's easier than I think, but I never really thought about that before. So first, open this up. Okay, so here's the actual CPAP machine itself. So first impressions are it feels lighter than the other machine. Not that the other machine really weighed a lot, but it feels lighter, and it is a little bit narrower, I guess. Yeah, I feel like my other machine went up a little bit higher, but the chamber here for your water goes right in. So all in all, I mean, it might be a little bit longer than the other machine, but it's not really gonna, obviously not too much if the bag's generally the same size. So then I've got this booklet here, so I am definitely going to look through all of this user guide because it is a brand new machine. They've changed things, I'm sure, from the last machine because they're always improving what they're able to do with these machines. So I'm definitely going to look through all of this before I get started to make sure I know how to do everything with it. So great, we'll look through that. And we've got the tubing here, so this is good. So I'll basically new supplies to go along with this. Thank you, Sleep Play. And then the power cord here. So it is pretty easy, to connect everything. Everything really is intuitive where it goes. This is where the tube goes, and then, the plug goes back here. And then the only thing is, where is the filter? Oh, here you go. Okay, this is the air filter. So on my the 10 machine, it was over here on the side, and it was you popped it open from there. And this one has something in the back, and so this definitely is a smaller size filter. So that will be a different type of supply than I got for the AirSense 10. But this is the number one thing, I think. I guess I don't really have any facts to back that up, but the number one thing that I think people forget to replace is this air filter, but it's really, really important. So it looks like you just turn it on here, which will be easy. And yeah, I'm really excited to get started. So hopefully I can start using this, get it all set up and use it tonight. And I'm hoping that I will like it. I'm sure I will, just as much as my other machine. I always tell people I'm kind of emotionally attached to my CPAP machine because it really has made such a difference in my life. And so, and that machine was a lovely ResMed machine, so I'm sure it will be the same. And I will definitely keep people updated on my journey with this and if I can transfer the patches from that bag to this bag. Have a good night.